Man, what's going on, y'all? This is Cajun Tactical. Hey, look, I got something special for us today. So I'm gonna start trying to do once a month cooking with Cajun, and I'm gonna do a little Cajun recipe, and see how that works out. See if y'all dig it. Y'all let me know. Hit me down in the comments and let me know what you think about what's about to happen. After you watch it to the end, now you got to watch it to the end to get all the secrets I'm gonna share with y'all. So we're doing a boil today. A Louisiana seafood boil. Well, seafood, really crab. We're doing blue crab. I went to get some crawfish this morning. They were out. So all I had was blue crab to get, which actually, to be honest with you, y'all, I love blue crab meat more than crawfish meat. They're a little harder to peel, but, I was raised doing it, so it's pretty easy for me. But y'all, this food's going to be amazing. Make sure y'all stay tuned. I'm going to show y'all how to do it and show y'all how we do it. They taught me how to do it early, so let's see. See what y'all think. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. Man, share this, y'all. Y'all want to know how to make the good Louisiana seafood, the good crawfish? Peep my channel out. Share it. Let's get it out there. So, a couple things we put in. So we start off. First thing we do is we put all the ingredients together. Sausage. I got mushrooms, full white mushrooms, and chopped. I have yellow onions, lemons, potatoes, 2 bags of the little red potatoes, which are amazing, dipped in butter. We got the Louisiana crawfish ball. Now the secret that we have, which we put the concentrate liquid in it as well as this. And, it's amazing. So anybody tries this, I'm pretty sure you'll love it. And also we put the Louisiana seasoning packets in with all the ingredients. Doesn't go in the main bowl. It goes right here in this bag. So this is a crawfish bag, y'all. A 1 sack, probably 33 to 36 pound crawfish bag. We put all the stuff in here and we're going to put it in the water right now and let it boil before we put the crabs in. So, man, I'm going to show y'all. Stay tuned. Hey, I'm excited. Get to share this with y'all. Hopefully somebody tries this recipe and does it themselves and loves it just as much as I do. So, all right, y'all. Cajun Tactic. I'll see you in a few minutes. I'm going to get set up. All right, y'all. We're going to get started. So we're going to start filling the bag up with all the goods. We're going to start off with the hot Italian sausage. We're going to just open this. Dump this right on in here. Just like that. Get them all in there. So it's always good to keep your crawfish sacks. Don't cut them up too bad whenever you get your crawfish, so that way you can reuse them for any other thing. Put shrimp in it. I mean, you can do several things with it. So this goes right in here. Next thing, we got the lemons. We're going to just cut the lemons one time in half, okay? Oh, I'll have to get me a little cutting board. All right. Well, I guess they don't need that piece right there. So we're just gonna cut the lemons in half, y'all. Take the stickers off of them. That may end up in your mouth. Just put that in the bag here, just like so. And I'm gonna tell you, oh, this is gonna be good, yeah. People often ask me, where's a good place around here to eat crawfish? Well, the answer is there's no place. No place but right here with Cajun Tactical. That's about it. That's about it. All right, so we can get these mushrooms. Boy, the mushrooms are so incredible. The chopped ones just give it that good mushroom flavor. And those white ones, when that seasoning soaks up in these big boys, oh man, dip them in some butter. That's a, y'all about to see. All right, let's get these potatoes. 2 bags of potatoes in there. So this is the first thing you do. And typically what happens is we put this right when I turn the fire on the burner and I light it, I put this in there. Once the water starts boiling with all the seasoning and everything, this is done. Let it soak. Let it soak. All right, we got that garlic. So I just put the garlic cloves, you know, yeah, everything better with garlic. I just put them in there. Let's see, we're gonna cut them just one time. One time, right down. That's, oh, can't cut through the root right here. Boom, boom. And put some, I'll just leave them in there, it don't matter. I like to eat the garlic ones anyway. So, boy, that garlic makes it good. All right, we got these yellow onions. These onions right here, y'all, that's good eating that crawfish ball. They get real, real soft. And man, they just, if you eat any kind of way like onions with crawfish ball on, it's incredible. Okay, stickers off. Oh, let me put these potatoes in there too. Now remember, y'all, right when you gonna prep this, this is the first thing you do. So you gonna put it in there with, right when you light the burner. And when that water starts boiling, this is ready. And you got all that, you could actually get started using as some appetizers if you want. Let's see, that in. Ooh, that onion, look at that. Cut that. Oh, I guess I should have had a better knife. I'll cut one like that, then I'll put the other two whole. And you're gonna put these Louisiana crab ball packets in it. And so, hey, look, I got some family outside. You know, we're doing this because my mom had some friends come in. So I'm at my mom's house doing it. They may be walking through the door and may interrupt us a couple times. So I apologize. Oh, almost forgot. You got to put them jalapenos in there. Jalapenos got to go in there. Whole too, boy. We just eat them. Pop. They so good with that ball. Come out of there. A stubborn bag. I don't like stubborn bags. All right, y'all. So, hey, look. That's step one right there. It looks like one of them little season bags are busted. Oh, well. Step one right here. Putting it in there. So, hey, I'll see y'all here in a minute when we go to phase 2 and show y'all what we're working with. Appreciate it. See y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, I'm back. So look, hey, real quick, I know it's loud. We got the propane tank going. We're going to go ahead and put the crabs. I still got the bag with all the goodies in it. So we're going to drop the crabs in here. We're going to let them cook and let them soak. Let's do it. All right, y'all, that's 3 dozen blue live crabs. Boy, they're going to be so good. So good. So as soon as we get them, pull them out, I'm going to show you, pull it up. And, man, I hope y'all enjoy watching this as much as I enjoyed making it. So I'll see y'all here in a few minutes. We're gonna cook them, then we're gonna pull everything right out. All right, y'all, so we just turned off the propane. The key to making these crawfish what they are is the soak. You have to let it soak. That's what gets all the flavor. That's what gets all the flavor inside the crabs or crawfish or whatever it is you're doing, same process. So just pull this off. We could see. Ooh. Well, won't be able to see it that good, but guys, the soak time is 20 minutes. So you're gonna let it soak for 20 minutes. It's the most important thing about this whole process. 20 minutes, once we pull it out, I'm gonna show y'all how they look, and man, they're gonna be amazing. So hopefully somebody out there tries it. 20 minutes, that's the key. I'll see y'all in 20. All right, y'all, so hey, look, they finished soaking. They ready to put on a plate and eat. So, man, whenever y'all do this, you will be amazed. And hit me a comment if you got any questions. So we're gonna take them out. Good. Now look at that. Matter of fact, just real quick, let me take this off so y'all can see what kind of masterpiece this is. Whew. That's some good old Louisiana crabs right there, y'all.